Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to animate this project. This project I did it before. So if you want to know how to do this, take a look at the previous tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description. So let's get started. Okay, now go to layer, null object. Okay, then go to old book 1 and shift to old book 2 and parent to the null. So now go to null object and press S and C. Okay, now go to view frames and keyframe. Go to first frame and increase like this. See? Okay. Also we can press Shift R to rotate and keyframe. Again go to first frame and rotate the book like this. So good. Okay, now I will go to this one, the gold one, old book 2. Okay, and go to pen tool and mask feather. Okay, yes, and now go to the mask this and increase. Okay, go few frames and open mask. Okay, and mask path, then again and go to pen tool and increase it like this, and now see. Yeah, okay, this is our animate. So if you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.